Hi, it's Sam here from KitchenGadgetsClub.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a water test using your Ninja Foodi.
First, let me explain to you who we are. If you're new around here, my name is Sam and I've been teaching people how to cook smart with just kitchen gadgets for over 10 years. In fact, we don't even have an oven or a hob in our kitchen. We are double Sunday Times bestsellers and The Independent calls us the best for beginner cooks. But because we've been creating videos for a while, we've ended up with more than 1,500 recipe videos on our YouTube channel. So what we have done is we have created a recipe index organised by Gadget to help you quickly find your next recipe video. You can find them all at KitchenGadgetsClub.com/YouTube, and we would be honoured if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel for more recipe videos like this. So now let's get back to the food.
So why do you do a water test, and why do they call it a water test for that matter? Well, a water test is what you do when you get a brand new pressure cooker, because you are testing that the pressure cooker is working, and essentially you're just pressure cooking some water, some cold water, and then you're cooking it for a certain amount of time, cooking the water, and then if it goes to pressure and you've got boiling hot water, you know that your pressure cooker works. So this is done if you have any of your machines that has a pressure cooker function, so Ninja Foodi, Instant Pot, Pressure King Pro and such like. So it's a very popular thing to do when you've got one. But it's also brilliant for cleaning it, so you can put it in with some fairy liquid and send it to pressure, and it's brilliant for giving it a sparkly clean look. And then another reason for it is for sterilising. So you can use it for sterilising before you make some homemade jam. You can also use it for sterilising before you make homemade yoghurt. And if you think about all the times when you need to sterilise a pot, you can just go back to this same water test and do that. And also another reason for doing it, which is I recommend quite a lot actually, is when your machine is struggling to get to pressure and you're thinking, is it the way I'm cooking or is it the cooking pot itself? So it's circumstances like that that we recommend just doing a quick water test, and you can see if it's up to it, and if it hasn't gone to pressure, then the likelihood is that you need your sealing ring changed or your pressure cooker's not working anymore. So it's just a great way to kind of troubleshoot and see what the problem is. So shall I show you how it's done? So I've got my Ninja Foodi Max out. I'm ready to do the water test. So it's easy to remember when it comes to the water test using your Ninja Foodi. And of course you can do this with any type of pressure cooker, by the way, not just the Ninja Foodi. It's 3 litres of water and a 2-minute pressure cook time. So that's pretty easy to remember, 3-2. And of course, if you're wondering in cups what that works out at, then it's 4 cups to a litre, so it's just short of 12 cups. And then if you're working in quarts, then quarts is slightly less than litres, but it won't make a difference if you did more. So you could do 2 3/4 quarts and keep the same kind of timings and everything. So shall we start filling it up? And I must say one more thing, cold water, because you want to take into account the time it takes to go to pressure, and if you're using hot water it's going to be too soon that it does it. So shall I get some water? So litre number 1's ready, so let's just get pouring. Litre number 2, and the final 3rd litre. So simple as that. So now lid down. So turn it on, and we're in the air fry section, so you need to go across. That's the middle section, so that's where the steam meals are. You don't need that one. You need to be right far across on the pressure cook section, and we're doing what you call a quick pressure release. We're doing high pressure, so all that area is set up now. And then for cooking time for a water test, you're looking at 3 minutes. So high, 3 minutes, quick pressure release, start.
Whilst we're cooking, let me introduce you to Kitchen Gadgets Club. We recommend joining it because it's brilliant for kitchen gadget recipes with step-by-step photos. It's got lots of easy recipes. You can join for as little as £1 a week. It has a library of over 1,000 plus kitchen gadget recipes, and we add 4 new exclusive recipes every single week. Here are just a few of the recipes. Each recipe has both metric and imperial, step-by-step photographs, plenty of useful kitchen gadget advice from experts. Just take a look at some of the photographs. And of course, you can join by heading to KitchenGadgetsClub.com/join. And now, shall we get back to the food?
So it's doing its quick pressure release, so that must mean the water test worked and there's nothing wrong with our Ninja Foodi. But don't worry if it takes ages for releasing the pressure. Remember, you've done a lot of water and you need all the steam to go before you can safely open the lid. So now it's finished releasing its pressure, so we can lift the lid up and you might find yourself with a pot of extremely boiling water. So should we put that to the test? Oh yes, lots and lots of water getting right in the way of our camera lens, so you can't really see a lot at the moment, but I'm sure you can see all this steam coming up. So what you need to do now is you just rinse it out and you've completed the water test, and if you use it for sterilising for another recipe, then it's ready for your next step. Thanks for watching, and now you've seen a glimpse into our ovenless world. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is what I call one of our step-by-step instruction videos. If you would rather have short and sweet, don't forget to check out our shorts. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok and Instagram. And if you want to find videos quickly, if you head over to KitchenGadgetsClub.com/YouTube, you can see an A to Z list of all our YouTube videos, so you can find videos by Kitchen Gadget. And I'll see you again soon.